So we're going to talk today about the ring scotoma, and scotoma just means a visual field defect. The ring scotoma is called that because it's a ring. You can put your finger through the center part of the ring scotoma. And so in automated perimetry, this center part will be preserved, and so their acuity might be good, like 20/20. But the field defect will be a ring. So they got preservation of this center part, and then there's the ring, and then the field appears again. So a ring scotoma is very suggestive that the problem is retinal in origin. The alternative is glaucoma, which is a combination of arcuate scotomas. So if you have two arcuate scotomas, you can get a ring scotoma. But retinal disorders like to make this ring scotoma thing. And the prototype is the bullseye maculopathy. And the bullseye maculopathy of hydroxychloroquine is a classic thing that causes a bilateral, simultaneous, slowly progressive ring scotoma. And normally with the ring scotoma, we have an ophthalmoscopic finding in the fundus, like the bullseye maculopathy. But if we have a ring scotoma and we don't see anything in the macula, then we still have to do electrophysiology, MERG, and structural imaging, like OCT of the macula, to see if we can see the ISOS junction, the ellipsoid junction abnormality that would correspond with the functional deficit on the visual field. So we'd like to have structure-function correlate. When we see ring scotoma, you're going to be looking for the other retinal symptoms: night blindness, nyctanopia, day blindness, hemianopia, and photopsias, flashing lights. So the combination of the symptoms of retinal disease, photopsias, metamorphopsia, nyctanopia, hemianopia, in combination with the sign of retinal disease, the ring scotoma, should prompt looking for the structural correlate, bullseye maculopathy, or if we don't see anything, OCT and fundus autofluorescence might show the lesion before you can see it. And if you still don't see anything, then we're going to do the electrophysiology to see what the function of the retina in that location is, MERG, because ring scotoma is almost always retina. If you see the nerve is pale or the nerve is cupped, well, then you can go back to optic neuropathy, but be thinking about retina first and ring scotoma.